I've done this before.
Watch out, there's lots of water in the thing today.
I don't know.
How are you gonna make it?
Yep.
You can go on if you want.
Okay. After college.
It's a long way down, huh? Don't look down, just go. Got those big boots on.
There's no grip.
You're pretty brave.
We're going real slowly.
You're going very slowly.
I want to do it. Why?
Keep going. Don't get distracted. Keep paying attention to what you're doing.
Ah!
There's that big old ant on the thing, huh?
You gonna make it?
Yep.
Yep.
I'm missing it. I'm trying to grab onto the stick thing. That one going to be really careful. So don't have the stick. It off.
Almost there. Huh?
Trick.
Getting close.
You'll never know this trick.
Those boots are kind of hard to walk across that. Hey, you made it.
Yay. You'll never know this trick.
Come on.
But you'll never know this trick.
What are you doing? You trying to fall off?
Yeah, you see anything? Yeah, I did okay.